Now the first thing you need to know is you are making a Java program. That means you need an edit pad or whatever software is available to you to write down the code. Is that right? So what I did was I went to Notepad++. I'm going to create, so import java.io.start. Is that okay? Now the first line you've written down is public class and whatever name you want to give to your class. Is that okay? The curly brackets start and finish indicate the start and finish of the class. Yeah. Now within this class you have one function which is called public static void main, again start and finish. Yeah. Now public static void main is fundamental function which needs to be in every Java program, or at least it is a starting point. I can make multiple files, but if the files are interlinked with them, that's fine, but I need to have one starting point which is going to be one main. Is that right? Here string, and you can give any letter and then square brackets. In this we have commands to take things and give input or output. I'm writing down a command for output. I want to output something. I want to put something on the screen, right? So the word is system dot out dot print line. Is that okay? Round brackets, semicolon. Now semicolon is a sentence terminator. Any command in Java which you're asking computer to do finishes at semicolon. Is that okay? So this, so far only this is the command and this is the second line you are telling computer. Rest is the structure only. So here in print line, whatever you want to display needs to go in inverted commas because that's how you want it to print. Is that okay? So I'm going to do this here. Yeah. So now I need to save this file. So file, save. You need to save this file with the same name as that of your class name and within extension Java. Right? Make sure that you choose the folder where you want to save all your files. So at the moment I am going in the class folder which is 1629, and I created a folder called as second May, and that's the file. Is that okay? You save the file, which is fine. Yeah. Now I need to go to my command prompt or my terminal. So window symbol CMD, you will go into your command prompt. Is that okay? Now here there are two steps which you need to do. First, you need to go in your directory where you saved your file. Is that okay? I saved the files on the K drive. You might have saved it on the M drive, or you might have saved it on your USB. So E, F, G, whatever the drive name is, I need to make sure I go on that drive. How do I go on that drive? Is the drive letters and colons. Enter. Is that okay? Now CD, change directory, is the command to go into that folder where you are. Right? Now I have a long path, I can't remember. So what you need to do is you can go here to your browser and I can actually pick up this folder from here. Wherever the path is showing, right click there and say copy address as text. Come back here and say CD and just paste that path. Is that okay? Control V, paste, Control V. Just paste that. It's showing me I am in that now. Can you see the arrow blinking after that? The cursor. Is that okay? So you are in that directory. So there you are in the right folder. So if I do dir, I will see this. Or if I am on Apple machine, I need to write down ls in not dir. So right. So you will see your files here. Is that okay? So now if you look at it, flying.java is there, but flying.class is not there. Flying.class will only get created when I compile my code, right? Now to compile my code, I need to write down here Java C and followed by my file name, right, which is flying.java. But if I do this, the computer doesn't recognize that. What does it say? Java C is not recognized as an internal or an external command. It can't find Java C. Is that okay? So I need to set path for this. Now for setting path, I go set space path is equal to percentage path percentage. Set path means set this variable for me, right? Percentage path percentage means whatever is inside it right now stays like that. I'm not overwriting, I'm appending the variable. Do you understand? I can show you what path has at the moment. If I just write down path, you will see it has got all this list. You don't want computer to delete this. You want computer to add your file name at the end, right? That's why if you write down by mistake set path is equal to, you will overwrite. That's why it is important to say percentage path percentage semicolon. Now for this, what path do I need? I need where my Java is installed. So that is on this PC, C drive, program files, Java, JDK and bin. Right click here, copy address as text. Just bring that here onto your command prompt, put it at the back and put semicolon. Is that okay? Even if you don't put semicolon, it will still work, but if you want to put anything else, then it won't work. Semicolon is a separator. Just press enter and now run the same command again. There's no error, is that right? Java C flying.java, there's no error. And if I do Java, to run my program, I say Java and the name of the file. So we get the message, right? If you think your screen has become too heavy or big, just say CLS, which clears the screen. CLS, and for Mac it is clear, right? So that's how you run. So you have to remember that when you go to your terminal, you have to go to the right folder and you have to set your path. Till this window is open, you don't have to set it again. Till this window is open, you won't have to set it again. But if you close this window, you will have to set that path again. Here. Right? Is that okay? Now you can repeat the steps on your machines.